Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Zenless Zone Zero on PC. Firstly, go to the official LD Player website and download the LD Player installer. Click on the yellow download and when it's done, just open the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install it on your PC. After installation, use shortcut on your desktop or locate the launcher in your system's programs to start LD Player. Open LD Player and use the search bar to find Zenless Zone Zero. Click on Install button next to the game's logo. Ensure it's developed by HoYoverse. If redirected to the Google Play Store, just sign in with your Google account and wait for the game to download. The game's icon will appear on LD's Player home screen. Once installed, you can just tap on it to launch the game from LD Player's home screen and you can play it on your PC. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.